Hey y'all, I want to make a video here out in the rain about my antenna. J-pole. Put it on a post, concreted in. I got some junk here behind my house. That's how we do it. We keep our junk behind the house. But anyway, 1.25" conduit pipe clamped to an 8-foot ground rod, grounded, clamped to the post, a 12-foot post concreted in. 26.5 feet of conduit with 7 foot of PVC plastic on top, and the J-poles at the very top. Got 3 guide ropes to secure it. Anyway, it works pretty good. I picked up 10 more repeaters that I couldn't hit before. My antenna was 18 feet on PVC in front of my house. So I took it up 26.5 plus 7, 33 feet, and the J-pole is 5 feet, so it's 38. And I'm allowed to go 40 here in the city limits. So anyway, out here in the rain and wind, everybody says my radio sounds great, so it's getting out. So there's an idea. If anyone that wants to put up a mast, use metal conduit, or it's easier and lighter to use the top railing off of chain link fence, but had this metal conduit gave to me. So anyway, there's my antenna installation. It's been up about a week now. We've had heavy wind and it's working out okay. So I'm gonna get out of the rain. Thanks y'all for watching.